Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be walking you through how I created this beautiful and elegant cornrow style. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Welcome back everyone, my name is Rita. So this is a protective hairstyle that's not only stylish but also perfect for sensitive scalp. So I started by prepping my client's hair. First I massage her hair as you saw earlier to relax and stimulate blood flow, which is a great way to prepare the hair for styling. Hair was quite dry and coarse, so I applied a general amount of leave-in conditioner to moisturize it. This step is so important for reducing tension and making the braiding process smoother. So after that, I comb through her hair to detangle it thoroughly, ensuring that there is no knots or tangles. So once her hair was prepped, I began sectioning it. I used a braiding gel to create a clean and precise line, as neat pattern is essential for a polished look. The hair was divided into two sections, so I started braiding from the back. Braiding from the back allows for better control and ensures a smooth foundation for the style. While I'm still braiding the back section, let me take a moment to remind you to give this video a thumbs up, share this to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Also, follow me at RiriWantinobi on Facebook and Instagram and at Rita on TikTok. So guys, if you're watching this video and you see any ads, please do not skip the ad. Make sure you watch the ad to the end. Okay, thank you. Once the braid is all done, I tucked away the ends of our braids by sewing them down securely. This step ensures the style lasts longer and keeps the ends protected. So afterwards, I applied my homemade oil on a scalp, just to lock in moisture and promote hair growth. The oil is a blend of nourishing ingredients that I made myself, and it always leave the scalp feeling hydrated and healthy. So guys, this is the hair I'm going to be using. This is a Brazilian human hair, and this hair is very soft and lightweight, and also it blends beautifully with natural hair. So I installed the extension using the traditional method, the traditional sew-in method. So however, since my client has a sensitive scalp, so her mom requested that I leave the track open, so she could use a headband on it instead of closing it up completely. Now this is very important for our own comfort. Don't think this will make the hair look more beautiful, and in the process you're hurting your client. So, and pulling a crochet pin under her hair and pulling it out tends to make her feel uncomfortable. So I decided to listen to her mom and not to do what I intended to do. As you know, as a stylist, I intended to just cover the track, but she says no. So please listen to your customer, listen to your clients. They are always right. After the back is completed, I move onto the front section. So here I created the stylish cornrows that perfectly complement the curly extensions in the back. So Cornrows are such a versatile style, so I always love how they really turn out.
I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess kinda guess I could need to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess kinda guess I could need to let the streets feel.
Once the braiding was completed, I added beads off cameras to give the style an extra pop of personality and flair. So finally, I applied mousse to the entire hair to set it in place and tame any flyaways. The mousse add a polished finish and helps the curls stay defined for longer. At this point, the hairstyle was complete and I absolutely love how it turned out. My client looks stunning even though she's looking like this. She's showing me that oh, let me just pretend that I don't like it, but she really love it. So let me know what you think of this style in the comment section. Would you like to try this? Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more amazing hair styles. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Yeah. Na, 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 na.